Hello students, I Sakshi, an assistant professor in RPIT campus Bastada Karnal. In this video, we will discuss the topic organizing. Now, what is organizing? In simple words, we can say that organizing is a process in which we define or group the activities which are planned in the planning function under management of an enterprise and also assigns them to the capable person or the authority with job positions is known as organizing. Here are various fundamental concepts of organizing, which are differentiation, integration. Differentiation means to differentiate between the work. If some work are of nature which requires specialized tasks or special knowledge or skills, then they should be assigned to different persons according to the capabilities of those persons. The next one is integration. Integration means if there is a work which only requires coordination among large number of people, then the same work can be given to large number of people. The next is nature of organizing. The first one is group of person. Group of person means there are various persons involved under the organizing which are organized according to the work and capabilities of them. The next one is common objective. The group of person which are divided according to their capabilities have common objective, or we can say they all works for achieving a common objective. The next one is division of work. Division of work is done on the basis of nature of work as well as on the basis of knowledge and skills of the workers. The next one is cooperative efforts. All the workers who are assigned with the work should work in a cooperative manner. The next one is communication. Communication is very much required in any type of business. Without effective communication, nothing can be achieved effectively. The next one is central authority. Central authority means the authority or the main authority to whom all the works should be reported, whose control should be there in all over the organization. The next one is rules and regulation. Rules and regulation are those foundations in which the person who are assigned with the work should work so that the objective of the organization can be achieved effectively as well as efficiently. The last one is dynamic element. Dynamic means which changes according to the needs of the time. These are the further explanation of all the points of nature of organization which we have discussed. Now, there are various points in the importance of organizing, which are facilitates administration, coordination, encourages growth and diversity, optimum use of technology, stimulates innovation in technology, encourages good human relations, ensures continuity of enterprise. The first one is facilitates administration. It facilitates administration because it provides a framework, or we can say it can be considered as mapping for all the activities which are required for achieving the ultimate objective of the business. The next one is encourages growth and diversification. As we know that there are different nature of work required for in a business organization. Some work are requires diversification, some requires integration. So organizing gives us the particular picture so that the work can be divided effectively and the growth can be ensured for the business organization. The next one is optimum use of new technology. If we have a strong map or strong structure, then we are able to easily adopt new technology in the business organization. The next one is stimulates innovations and creativity. It promotes critical thinking as well as innovations on the part of the employees. The next one is it encourages good human relations, as every employee in the business knows their own responsibilities and duties. So the chances of more job satisfaction increases and the chances of misunderstanding decreases, which promotes good human relation between the employees of the business organization. The next one is ensures continuity of enterprise. Organizing includes various training and development programs, so it ensures more and more continuity of the enterprise. The next one and foremost is coordination. Coordination means to have good relation and good communication between the workers of the business organization. Here are the points which are included in the process of organizing. The first one is identification of activities, then grouping of activities, after that delegation of authority, and at last assignment of duties. Identification of authorities means to identify the task, or we can say to identify the work which is to be performed by the workers of the organization. The next one is grouping of activities. Grouping of activities, we can say formation of various departments or division of activities according to the nature and capabilities of the workers. The next one is assignment of duties. Assignment of duties means to assign the particular duty which should be performed by the particular person or a particular employee, or to notify that particular person that this duty belongs to that person from that date. The next one is delegation of authority. Delegation of authority means to delegate the authority to the person who is responsible for the work which is assigned to him. Thank you.